Hey everyone, this is my 1997 Toyota Hilux Surf. It's 29 years old, it has 275,000 kilometers on the clock, and I drive it every day. When I bought it, prices were already going up, so I had to be fast. And I wanted to be on the lower side of the price range. I had some preferences, a few goodies. I will show you these afterwards. Well, and I got one, this car. It's from the south of Japan. That means it has no rust at all. But, the paint isn't really on the good side of things. The paint is actually pretty bad. I have no idea what they tried here, or here, or here. But hey, I added some cool ass graphics. In all honesty, this is the best car I ever had, and I can never let it go. And here's why. This car came with a turbo timer, a boost controller, yeah, because it's a 3-liter turbo diesel, 1KZ engine, and a boost gauge. It has a cool board computer on the roof, which makes you feel like Michael Knight. But the best thing is the following. So this is the coolest feature for me. I love it to death. But it also has a rear view camera, 90s style. Yep, that's a folding down mirror. So this is easily the best car I ever owned. So let's go for a drive. Okay, we're doing kind of an ASMR here. It has 4-wheel drive, of course, but not permanently. So I just switched to 4-wheel drive and let's go. Of course, there's a bit rattling here and there, but it's a 30-year-old car and it's -2 degrees outside, so pretty cold, which doesn't really help. And also the mad JDM stuff quite rattles a bit. If you want to switch from 4-wheel drive to 2-wheel drive, you're pressing just a button here. Car needs to be neutral. As you can see, it's progressing, and that's it. I have winter tires on this car now, so it's pretty quiet, to be honest. In the summer I'm on Falcon Wild Peaks, which are a bit more on the louder side, but compared to the Yokohama Geolander, they are still quiet. The 4-speed automatic, it's more a 3-speed plus overdrive. It, in all honesty, is a blast to drive. I really love it. It's such an old transmission, and it you can't really recognize when it changed gears apart from the RPMs. So this is quite good still after all those years. I just changed the transmission fluid once, and yeah, just to be sure, and that's it. The suspension isn't really stock. It's a 2-inch lift with the help of Bilstein dampers, so the 5100 series, and OME springs, which is a pretty common combination on these cars. So the US guys on their Forerunners, they run really often. So yeah, it's quite comfy. I mean, it's still a car yeah, which is a blast to drive, to be honest. I mean, it's not a rocket ship by any means, but yeah, it's really comfy, it's good on road trips, and it has pretty cool functions too, and for road trips especially. So you can fold this down to the back, and you can sit in the back and have your legs on here on the seat, which is pretty cool. And yeah, the only thing which isn't really good, I mean, it's really the only thing is it's not good on fuel, not by any means. I mean, if you're, as I am at the moment, on winter tires, and I did a pretty long road trip, like 1,200 kilometers last week, and yeah, on these winter tires I came down to 10 liters per 100 kilometers, which is really the lowest I ever was on with this car. Normally it's more like 13 liters per 100 kilometers, which is pretty bad. But yeah, as it's the only downside really, this is pretty okay for me. Yeah, on traffic lights I always switch to neutral, which is better for the automatic transmission. I'm kind of a big fan of POV drives. I really love watching these videos on the internet, and I search for them on a regular basis. So I thought it would be pretty nice to make an own one again. Not even half of throttle. As said, it's not a rocket ship, but it does the job, and it's very enjoyable and nice to drive. I mean, you could like do this, and it just, yeah, it's so good for such an old car. It's pretty sad that the display of the bus controller stopped working at some point, but well, I will just keep it in because it's wired in and everything, and I don't want to work on a good working system. You can also switch off the overdrive, which is the 4th gear, by pressing this button. Then you have this light here on the dashboard, and then it just goes up to the 3rd gear, which is better if you have like steep roads or something. It's better for the transmission. So if you have a downhill road like this one, You can also go from drive, which means it shifts through all the 4 gears, down to second, and then you don't have to be on the brakes all the time, which is good if you're really in the mountains and you don't want to overheat your brakes. This is the way to go. So 3rd gear and then 4th gear. This is the fucking coolest shit ever. I really hope that you like the Hilux as much as I do. If you have any questions regarding to this car, please drop them down in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.